How to connect keyboard and mouse to PS4. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to connect keyboard and mouse to PS4. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Connecting a keyboard and mouse to your PS4 can enhance your gaming experience, especially for games that support these peripherals. Connecting a keyboard and mouse to your PlayStation 4 is simple. Plug the keyboard or mouse into the USB port on the front of the PS4. The PS4 recognizes most devices immediately and flashes a keyboard or mouse icon on the screen to let you know the connection is made. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you do it. First, check compatibility. Ensure that your keyboard and mouse are compatible with the PS4. Most USB keyboards and mouses should work, but it's always good to double check. Second, USB connection. Turn off your PS4. Connect the USB end of your keyboard and mouse into any available USB port on your PS4 console. You can use the USB ports on the front or back of the console. Now, turn on your PS4. The third step is to adjust settings. Once your PS4 is powered on, navigate to the settings menu on the home screen. Scroll down and select Devices. In the Devices menu, select Bluetooth devices. The fourth step is pair the keyboard and the mouse. Press the connect button on your keyboard and mouse. This button is usually located on the underside of the device. On your PS4, select Bluetooth devices. Your keyboard and mouse should appear in the list of available devices. Select them to pair with your PS4. The fifth step is optional, that is, configure settings. After pairing, you can adjust the keyboard and mouse settings to your preferences. Go back to the devices menu and select mouse or keyboard to customize settings such as pointer speed, button mapping, etc. And the last step is to test your setup. Launch a game that supports keyboard and mouse input. Test your keyboard and mouse to ensure they are functioning properly within the game, and this is how you can connect keyboard and mouse to PS4. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.